All right, tip number 5, let's get started. Don't spend any money. So okay, let's just clarify it. I know I said don't spend any money. The truth is, in order to get started, you have to spend some money. The point is, you don't want to go crazy like I did at the very beginning, just buying anything and everything, every single magic trick. You spend $20 here, $15 here, $40 here, $60 here, another 10, and it's just one magic trick that promise you to be the best, the greatest, easy to, it's all hype, and you keep spending this money and in reality you're not getting anything back because you're not learning the basics. So let's revamp that. Don't go from don't spend any money to spend money at for the right things. For example, things that I would wish that somebody had told me that I should get right away. Number one thing that I should have gotten, and you can get it for free at the library, but it's always nice to get your own copy, and this book is what got me started. It has everything I needed was right in here. Instead of spending $20, $30, $40, $50 in individual tricks, this book has a lot of information. It'll take you years to go through everything if you want to master it all. There's a great sponge ball routine. There's a great cups and ball routine. It even has illusions that you can build. If you were to buy an illusion, just one illusion, it would probably cost you $60, $80 just for the plans. It's all in this book. Get this book. I'll be sure to give you a link at the bottom here. Just make sure to check out the comments on the bottom and you can go get your own copy. I still reference this book all these years later. Get the book. Another thing that you should get is you should get a good magic wand. Come on, you're a magician. If you want to do magic, get yourself a decent magic wand. This is the pretty nice one that I picked up, and this is just a cheap plastic one. I buy these by the hundreds because at every single magic show that I do, birthday boy gets one, birthday boy, birthday girl, they get a free magic wand, and I use my own magic wand. Next thing I recommend you getting is a deck of playing cards. When everybody thinks of magician, they think of magic, they think of playing cards. So you can do a lot of simple tricks, basic tricks with cards, and it's just fun to have them along. It's hours of practicing and fun just to play around with. Get yourself a deck of playing cards. Next item that I recommend you getting is coins. These are Kennedy half dollars, the 50-cent piece. You just need to hit a lot of banks. I was able to find 4 of these just the other day, and I had to end up hitting like 3 banks just to find out who had them. And somebody finally said, yeah, we got them. We don't know what to do with them. Here you go. I just bought them. And guess how much they cost? 50 cents a piece. $2, I got some decent coins. So you can do some decent coin tricks with these, and you could probably use a quarter, but these are a little bigger so you can see them better. Coins. Pick up a few. Next item you should pick up is sponge balls. They come in packs of 4. Mark Wilson's book has a great routine on them. It's in the pocket, in the hands, spectator hands. I have done a lot of fairs, school events just with these. I take a pack of cards, I bring coins, I bring these, and the kids always track me down and find me and say, hey, do that little trick that you do with the red balls for my friend. And I say, what red balls? And of course I produce them, I manage them, they come out in their hands, so forth, so on. Sponge balls. Hours of fun. And the last item that I'll recommend is some nice silks. Handkerchief silks. I've always been in love with the silk magic. A couple great routines in the Mark Wilson book. A couple of 12 inches, 9 inches. I just felt that silks is my calling. This is my personal favorite, silks. I like to do things with silks. So it can vanish, appear, you can use it to hide things in. So many different things you can do with silk. And I always felt that once I got the silks, that was it. When I got silks, I thought, yes, this is it. I made the big leagues. I look magical. And that's it. So there it is, tip number 5. Hopefully you liked that. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to share it with your friends. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe. Keep it amazing.